Okay, we have a situation. There's a bird in our house. What happened?
Well, so he went to take out the trash. He's the culprit. And there was 2 hummingbirds. One flew past the garage. Just
They're not
like
hummingbirds.
They're not hummingbirds, sorry. And then, so one of them, he heard a sound, but actually it flew inside of the house, and we screamed. But we didn't get that on video, so.
Okay, we have all the windows open, the
We're
doors.
letting bugs in, so we gotta get this going. There's moths coming in.
Go.
He's on our pot from dinner.
3, 2, 1.
I think. No!
You gonna fly away?
Yeah.
Almost.
He's not
He
coming to
said
the
no,
door.
he went the wrong way.
He's on the door.
Oh, he's so close.
Yes!
Yes. Success.
Margot, good girl.
Yay!